You can find dozens of bathroom designs in different sizes and styles. Take a peek and find the bathroom you'll love whether in a rush or ready to relax. Here are 20 IKEA bathroom design ideas. 1. A bathroom where nothing is out of reach. Children never seem to stop growing or wanting to learn new things. Make the bathroom activities easier, funnier, and, of course, more reachable by height adjusting the bathroom equipment. 2. Bathroom and shower room storage ideas. Keep all your bathroom products within arm's reach with sink and shower storage, ideal for small bathrooms which don't offer a lot of room for all your toiletries. 3. Where bath time is together time too. We always talk about streamlining your bathroom routine, but what about finding time for your little ones too? Squeeze in some we time and make your bathroom a place where your children can get ready and unready with you from Monday to Sunday. 4. How to achieve a bathroom retreat in a few simple steps. Create a spa-like feeling in your bathroom with some simple tips and tricks like lighting, music, pretty details, and soothing colors. Keep your things in order and nicely displayed in Hemnes mirror cabinet. 5. Easy breezy laundry routines. Create a laundry routine your whole family can follow. If your bathroom and laundry room share the same space, use up every awkward space to place shelves, boxes, and laundry bags. 6. A bathroom to rest and recharge in. We often talk about streamlining your bathroom routine, but just stop for a moment and breathe. Make your washroom a place to relax and an efficient space to have multiple people in the same room when it needs to be. 7. The mini laundry room. Tucked away behind 2 tiny doors is a laundry station that fits and functions in this small bathroom. The best part? Close the doors, and you won't have to be reminded of the clothes. 8. Give your rental bathroom a floral refresh. Make a rented bathroom feel just like yours. Simple textile refreshes, no-drill solutions, and small space organization help to express your personal style. 9. Keep calm and wash on. It's possible to keep a stylish bathroom when you have a large family. The secret? Functional bathroom furniture with secret storage compartments and open shelves for easy access. 10. A low-price bathroom, a high-end style. In need of some style inspiration and advice on how to make room for everything in a small bathroom, here's how to make the most of your limited space. You can expand and rearrange your shower storage whenever needed without drilling any holes. 11. A bathroom that coordinates beautifully with your home. A classic and traditional look throughout your home, Hemnes offers elegant, both open and closed, storage so you can enjoy a calm bathroom that's filled with a sense of well-being. 12. Relaxed bathroom atmosphere with plenty of storage. Good morning, sunshine. Keep your bathroom tidy with furniture designed to keep your gadgets organized. 13. Concealed storage ideas for your bathroom. Concealed storage ideas help keep your bathroom clear of clutter. Stow away all your products and accessories with their God Morgon range for a tidy bathroom you'll be eager to show off. 14. Stylish, streamlined, and serene bathroom routines. A spacious wash basin, a trolley, and many mirrors help achieve streamlined bathroom routines, especially if you are two who get ready at the same time. 15. A beautiful bathroom that blends seamlessly with the rest of your home. Create a calm, clutter-free, and traditional bathroom that goes hand in hand with the room that's connected to it. Hemnes offers a wide range of both closed and open storage solutions that will complement your personalized look and needs perfectly. 16. Keep a clutter-free bathroom. Glass cabinets, drawer units, and hanging hooks make everything in this bathroom easy to see, grab, and store. The secret is to mix and match closed and open storage units. 17. Bring the spa to your bathroom. Natural materials, lush towels, and soothing scents are a great start. Step into your own personal oasis. Plush towels and a pair of slippers can help bring that spa feeling. Birchwood also has a distinctive spa-like scent.